Yawning is more than just a response to tiredness. It's a fascinating social phenomenon. Contagious yawning is observed not only in humans but also in animals like chimpanzees and dogs. Studies suggest that seeing someone yawn triggers an empathetic response, engaging brain networks involved in social bonding. This mirroring action is thought to strengthen group cohesion, serving as a non-verbal form of communication. Interestingly, not everyone is susceptible to contagious yawning, with individuals having varying levels of empathetic sensitivity. By understanding the science behind yawning, we gain a deeper appreciation for its role in human interaction and its evolutionary significance.